Hello everybody, I've just put the droppers out. Hopefully going to drop these birds now, look. There's one old bird up there, Dorothy. One of my old favourites, 2019 plate she is. It's probably her there, look. Where has she gone? There's her there. In fact, that is her, that's her. And these other 9 are the young birds. Come on. I expect the young birds will drop, but she might not. She's been in the stock loft. Didn't breed from her. She just wouldn't rear the young ones. Young birds hatched and then they died. She didn't bloody feed them. So she's not as fit as them other ones, but she's gone a bit silly in the head since she's come out of the stock loft. There, these are going to be a 9 dropping a 1er. That's it. Come on. They're all down, but she's still up. Look, told you she's gone in the head since she's been in the stock loft. Look at them young ones. Look, let's zoom in from here, shall we? Look at that. I've got to pick 3 of them for a fly this Sunday. How can you pick 3 out of the 9, huh? I bet this one don't drop. It's Dorothy, the old bird. This is the most dark trained I've had, really. They didn't really have much dark training to the lamps. I started and then didn't bother continuing because it's getting too late and you've got to keep the wife happy, haven't you? Come on. Oh, she's getting lower. Come on. Come on. Let's get out of the way. I'm stood up here with a pink shirt on. Not the best, is it? Here she comes. She might come down now. Look. Come on. Little princess that one is. She's down. Was that because I got out of the way? We'll never know. There she is. All in. And them reds. Droppers out. Birds know what's coming next, look. Just a little taster so they know what's what. So which 3 do we pick for Sunday's fly? Not Dorothy, look, she's an old bird. Let's get these droppers in. Don't they look nice against that grass? I should have jet washed that out at the weekend, but I didn't. Lovely. Would have been nice to wash it out, wouldn't it? In that heat. It was so hot. That's the best time to wash it out, jet wash it out, isn't it? When you know it's gonna dry up so quick. Let's put these ones some food. A little bit hungry. All going well. It's now 9:30, look. Near enough. So if I fly till 9:30 on Sunday night, I know they'll drop. If they last that long, that is. Oh shoot. I was meant to chuck that little red out with them before they landed. That's the trouble when you got odd birds. Better get that feed tray out of the way. Sorry, I'm doing this all one-handed. Hen birds in there. I've got cock birds in here that I don't want in here, because I'm now going to get all these youngs in here and box them up. So let's. Come on. Look at that, all drop down. But, I was just checking the door was shut. Well, I'm going to box them all up like that. Trouble is they're having a little bit of extra seed at the minute in there, aren't they? This is all food that these old birds didn't eat. Right, another one in there. Little blue. Red. The blue. That's an old egg. Don't worry, that young'un didn't lay an egg. Another little red. Nice. And the last one's a blue. Right. Just gonna give them all. Yeah. Give them all half an ounce of depurative. That's what they're getting today. Just been speaking to Mr. Darren Kelly about Saturday. He's a club member. He's actually the club secretary, the club I'm in. So I've just been speaking to him. He was just doing. We just had a little chat. But, I haven't as such got a feed up. So they're just going to get depurative at the minute. It's Monday. Can't really see them from here. There you go. They're over this ground. fed the Prince earlier. The Prince have had the same. They've had 1 ounce, not 1 ounce, sorry, 1/2 an ounce of depurative. Here's a print hen. Hello, missus. Come on then. Come on then. That's it. Good girl. Come on then. Look at her. Huh? Come on then. Come on then. Look at her, look. Oh, silly thing, huh? Yeah. What's the matter? Well, I could prostitute her out, you know. Come on then. Easy, ain't ya? Come on then. Come on. Look at the dust, people. It's the trouble with this summer. So bloody dusty. That's why I've got a hoover. I have got a hoover. I hoover up. Come on. Come on in. Come on. One more time. Come on in. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Right. Are they eating that? You can see that red they got in there, look. I had a bit of that yesterday. Homoform. I had a pinch of homoform yesterday. So that's all they're having tonight. Whether it's right or not, who knows? But that's all they're getting. That's all what everybody else has had. These lot are all waiting for water. Which is here. No, it's not. I've got to go get some. Alright. I've got to go get some water. Just going to feed these up. Got to get Dorothy because she's a hen bird. And they're all cock birds in there. Otherwise we know what will happen in here. Alright. Right. Look at them. Waiting for water. Right. Thanks a lot for watching. Give us a like if you can. Subscribe because it's free. And we'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow you'll see what I feed these. Bye for now.